Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. Now in this series of videos, I'm going to be showing you how to mix a song using Waves plugins. Now in the last video, we EQ'd and we de-essed. So this video, we're going to be compressing. But before we do that, let's listen to where we've got so far.
All I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers. Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling for all of your lies. Got me feeling like there's danger tonight.
So when we recorded the vocals, due to the circumstances, we recorded in a less than ideal room. So I'm going to be controlling the frequencies that I don't want by using the Manny Marroquin Triple D. So let's drag that into our inserts. Let's solo the vocal here. So the first thing I want to do is just to make the vocal just slightly less boxy. So we're going to use the de-boxy side of this plugin first. Let's put our monitor button on and let's find the frequency we want to control.
All I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got the feeling like
I'd say it's there.
Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling for all of your lies. Got me feeling like there's danger. Now all I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers. Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling for all of your lies.
So this plugin's also got a de-harsher and a de-esser in it as well. So let's mute the de-esser that we put in last time and see if this one works any better.
Now all I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers. Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling.
So there's a frequency I want to control.
All of your lies got me feeling like there's danger tonight.
You could hear over that tonight word.
Tonight.
And let's take it out.
Tonight.
And that's really controlling it.
All I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers. Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling for all of your lies. Got me feeling like there's danger tonight.
Now that's really controlling it, and I actually prefer the sound for this song over the de-esser plugin. So the next thing I want to do is to bring in a compressor, and I'm going to use one of my favourite plugins that Waves do, which is the CLA2A. This is such a classic sounding compressor, and the great thing about this compressor, not only does it compress, but it also adds a lovely warmth around the vocals. So let's bring it in.
All I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers. Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling for all.
So I'm compressing to about the right amount that I want to, but let's make sure that we're level matching with the original vocal.
Now all I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers.
And the plugin's just a bit
like
louder.
Ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling.
And let's hear that in the track.
All I ever see is danger. Every time I've been looking in your eyes, got me feeling like we're strangers. Like ships in the night passing by, and I can't help myself from falling for all of your lies. Got me feeling like there's danger tonight.
So I'm pretty happy with that. Now join me in the next video where I'm going to be adding in some reverb to make the vocal fit in the track. So until then, take care.